Hello, my name is Raheem Dyson at the Regency Square Mall, Upstreamers.net, and today we're going to show you a few pieces from our website. So here you see the home presentations. You can see our different items like our hats, jeans, and accessories along with shoes. So today we're going to start with our tops. Our new tops are updated daily. As you can see the little arrows next to it, these are our soft menu items. We're going to get to that in a moment. So let's take a look at our new tops. As you can see, we have a lot of new tops available on Upstreamers.net. We also have 3 locations at Regency Square Mall, Virginia Center Commons, and South Park Mall. So always feel free to stop by. Our daily scrolls is pretty much a lot of items. You have the nice jackets, the windbreakers that's really in style. It's on sale. Our sweaters, and our jean jackets. And this goes on for about 2 pages long. So we're going to click right here on the tops again, and we're going to go to what we just talked about, the soft menu. And on the button down, we have the long sleeve and short sleeve. We're going to start with the long sleeve. Now these are really hot items. They're on sale, and there's a few that they sell out fast. Okay, so we have the academics long sleeve button. We also have the Winchester sleeve button, and these are in style for fall and the end of summer. It can go over to the winter. So let's take a look at our short sleeve button downs. Then we have a few items, and they're very nice for the end of spring, beginning of fall. As you can see, we have 3 on sale. 1 is sold out, and our South Pole fruit woven shirt is one that I really like. It's very popular. And another short sleeve is the Rebel Mods. You can see the front and back when you click on it, as well as the watermelon style from South Pole. Okay, so now let's look at our hoodies. Our long sleeves, short sleeves, and we also have women's. Let's look at our women's hoodies. And we have 2 different styles. We have one with the cutoff sleeves and one with the long sleeves. They're both on sale, and this is the riftless junior zip-up hoodie. When you click, you can see the back, as well on the blue one. Now let's take a look at our bottoms. We have new bottoms in stock. This is a lot of variety. These are for the men's. These are the men's jeans. You can see the jogger cargo pants with straps. You'll also see the biker pants and the distressed ripped jeans. It's a lot of styles you can see front and back that you can view from. Now let's look at the soft menu like we talked about, and look at the different styles. We have the biker jeans, the slim jeans, the skinny jeans. We also have women and boys. Let's click on the women jeans. The women jeans have a lot of different styles. We have the distressed jeans right here. You can also see the front and the back. And we also have the Pearl Collection women's ripped jeans. A lot of new hot items. This is a close-up view, and you can see also the related products. So going back to the bottoms, we're going to take a look at the women's joggers. Now these are a nice funky style. These are from the Champions collection, and this one is on sale. You can also see the front and back. This is called the Life Women's Jogger. This is the white. You also have the pink women's jogger, which is in style right now for the fall and the winter time coming up. Now if you click back on our home screen, you can also see a little bit of our Instagram, and we're going to get into that soon. So if you scroll over, you can see the presentations and the featured items. This is a trendy urban wear. This is the long sleeve that we just showed you, but the sleeves is rolled up. And let's take a look at the hats. It also has a soft menu. So we're going to go to the snapback hats. Our snapbacks come in the baseball, the football, and also the basketball, in a lot of different styles. And remember, these are all snapbacks. These are a lot of different good styles for your favorite sports teams to show your spirit for your favorite team of colors. A lot is available here. So now we're going to go back to the hats, and we're going to take a look at the Brimskins. Now the Brimskins is what you can put over your brim, what you already have. So we have a lot of different funky styles here if you want to change up and be creative. Let's take a look at the soft menu again and look at the fitted hats. So we showed you the snapbacks and the Brimskins. Now the fitted hats are a little different than snapbacks. As you can see, we have the logos on the back, and these are a few of football and basketball. They also come in different styles and sizes also. Then we're going to go back to the home screen, and we're going to look at our socks. Then we have a lot of different socks. We have the odd socks, the stance, which is very popular, Benny Gold, and Champion. I'm going to click on the Champion socks. which is out of stock, and we have different stocks like DC Comics, like Batman and Disney. I'm going to click on the Benny Gold. See the collection? It's all out. And we also have stands. So you can also come into our stores. Again, we have 3 locations at South Park Mall, Regency Square Mall, and Virginia Center Commons. And we will have these in stock also in store if you cannot find it online. Now, what I like about the stance, it stands out from the rest. It's very different. So you can see the Star Wars, the other Star Wars Chewbacca socks. And when you click on them, you can also see how they will look on your feet. And they will stand out from the crowd if you would like to be different and change up and go your own way. It's a lot of varieties of these socks. It's like you almost can touch them. Now we're going to take a look at our accessories. In our soft menu, we have backpacks and earrings and face shields. So since it's school time, we're going to click on the backpacks. And now we have the North Face for boys and girls, JanSport. We have the youth backpacks and Champion. And we also have the Diamond Supply Life backpacks. And these are a lot like very funky and stylish. So you can definitely stand out on your first day of school. And they will be with you to the end of school. And if you would like to change up the style from Champion to JanSport, you can also do that also. So let's take a look back at our home screen. And we can take a look at the jeans. Just a little recap in the snapback fitteds. We also have different brands. I'm going to click on the most popular. Now we have a lot of variety of the brands. We have Genuine, Fifth Loop, 5 Points, Disorder, Octane. So you may see some of your favorite designs in here. We also have name brands like Champion, Ethica. Let's click on the Ethica. Now these are for men's. These are the Ethica underwear. And these are very popular. These have a lot of different styles, the Ethica men's boxers underwear, and for a good price also. Now what I want to show you guys is the Upstreamers brand. Now we have sunglasses, we have jeans, and we also have t-shirts. Again, this is upstreamers.net, and this is the Upstreamers name brand. And you can also mix and match your shirts with the same logo. You have different styles, the green, the blue, the pink, the black, and they go with also our jeans. Again, you can click on them and see the front and the back. And some very nice glasses here. These are very popular. These ones are sold out, but these ones are also very popular. These are the gold frame clear lens glasses. If we click back here on the home screen, you can also see them here, our Upstreamers brand, right on the home screen if you want to go to it faster. Now I'm going to show you guys what's on sale. We have in our soft menu tops, again a long sleeve, short sleeve, crew necks. We also have bottoms on sale. We have the cargo shorts, jean shorts, and track pants. And we also have women's in sales. So let's click on the women's sales. Again, these are the 2 hoodies that we showed you before. And we also have the Red Fox women's joggers. You can see the front and the back. These are coming up for the fall winter. So these will be very popular as the gets colder. And we also have women's cargo khaki. If we click back on the sale, you can go to the tops. And we have windbreakers down here at the bottom. And we have the Bleecker and Merker pullover. Now if it's sold out online, you can also come to one of 3 of our locations at South Park Mall, Regency Square Mall, and South Park Mall. And we also have the Super Dry Super Storm Zip. We also have a lot of different colors that you may not find in different retailers. Some of the fashion industry likes mint, khaki, and gold, simply because they kind of go with everything. So we click on the khaki, as you can see. We also have a khaki color hat to go with the t-shirt or the jeans if you like. So a khaki is a very popular style. If you're a basketball fan, football fan, baseball fan, we have a lot of different styles for you in khaki. Also, I like black because black goes with almost everything. So if you click on the back on the colors, you can also see some of your favorite brands in the black color if you cannot find them in another color you're looking for. So if you click on it, the t-shirt, you can also see the size measurement chart if you're having trouble finding your size. We also have the backpack to go with the windbreakers. If you want to go back to school in a different style or a different look, we also have a lot of different varieties of jeans to go with the black windbreaker jackets. And if you're on social media, you can stop by our Instagram and take a look at our clothes. If you don't have the upstreamers.net web address, you can go to our Instagram and see new daily tops. So these are updated daily. Our sale items, these are new hats. And you can also look at our featured new items. You can also click on the view more if you want to dig in a little deeper. See, there's your favorite color, black or the blue for the end of fall, beginning of winter, or the beginning of fall. You will like the ripped denim jacket. So we're going to click on view more. And there's also a large variety from our home screen. So this forward ripped jean jacket, we didn't see it on the home screen, but that's what the view more helps you out with. So you can click on it and mix and match your t-shirts to go with different ripped denim jackets, also with our distressed jeans. And these are our new arrivals. And again, these are our featured items. These are urban streetwear. And you also have fast shipping, lower prices. So on our website, we have free shipping on orders over $99.95. Free shipping on orders over $99.95 right here at the banner. And it's for U.S. domestic customers only. And that is our Upstreamers.net lookbook, style, menu, and Instagram social media pages.